Just want to go over packing instructions on the ballute real quick. Very easy to do. It's a tangleless design, so very few ways you pack it wrong and it malfunction. But first thing you want to do is just get all the air out. I do this just by pulling tight. You could also do it by holding the base, sliding up, holding the middle, same thing. On the 18 and 24 inches, there's 8 gores, and we're just going to fold it in half. The 12 inch, there's 6, so you'd count 3, but this is a 24, so we'll count 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and just put that half together. So fold it in half long ways, flatten it out, work the air out. I like to fold it again in half, just to get it a little more narrow. Fold it down in half, and from here, you could roll it, you could fold it this way, whatever makes it fit. I'm gonna fold it again halfway, and then start with some folds, get into some rolls, and once you hit the chute protector, put that in, wrap it tight, and that's packing the ballute.